Today I will be showing you how to print a gradebook report for parent-teacher conferences that looks really nice. First, you're going to sign in to Infinite Campus. Then you're going to go to the box at the upper right-hand corner and click on Instruction. Next, you'll scroll down to Reports, Gradebook. Then you're going to change this to a student summary. You can also do a section summary for the whole class, but student summary here. The best way to do it is to click on Show Assignment Detail, 1 student per page. This gives you a nice looking report. Next, you will scroll down till you see this screen. I had to cover student names for privacy. Then you're going to go over and you can select here. You can deselect all the students and just pick 1 student. Next, you'll go over and decide which terms you want to print. You can unselect and select which terms that you want to print your gradebook for. So now I'm going to show you how to select the terms. I want to print term 1 and term 2, so I'm going to click there. And it's best to just pick the 9-week grade because the 4.5-week progress shows extra information not needed. And then I'm going to scroll down and print term 2 as well. 9-week grade. Then I'm going to click Generate Report. Your report will appear with the student name at the top and with your term 1, term 2, their grade here, and all the assignments and the details of the assignments. That concludes the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and learned how to create a gradebook report for parent-teacher conferences.